guys, this is Awesome Disney Toys here, and today we bring you Noise Putty. It is green, so it's brand new. You can only get this in Empire at Family Dollar. It's a new store, so yeah, it was only $1 plus tax would be $1.08. So let's open this on up and we'll be right back. And also we have this Jolly Rancher Cherry Lip Gloss. It is also from Family Dollar. So let's see how that turns out. Take it off. You got something I don't? Okay. So it is very shiny. It does smell like cherry, but whatever you do, do not eat it.
Hey, did you know that's Julie's?
So yeah. So that does really smell like cherry. Very glossy.
And I'm gonna put some on.
Yeah. So we'll be right back whenever we figure out how to work this. So we figured out how to work this. Like, the instructions is on the back. It says do not eat, warning, keep away from heat.
Why are you hitting people?
Advertisement, loin, and yeah.
I want to know why all these clothes are on the damn floor again.
Press your fingers into the body, and the air will escape up the sides,
Who put them there?
creating comical sounds.
I want these clean clothes picked up.
So it says 3 years and older. So yeah, the name of it is Noise Putty, if you forgot. So yeah, let's open it.
Hey guys, today my sister Angel
and Chelsea, all you guys get up right now and you get your picture now. Now!
So I guess
you want me to go get Nan? Hey,
whenever you rip this, like, it actually rips. And for example, it's very cleany. It does not make a mess. So actually, I'm gonna put like little bits of it on the table, and I'll show you guys in just a second how good it cleans up. So we'll be right back. So we're back, and I'm gonna show you guys now that it actually does make a quick clean. So as you can see, there's a whole bunch of little bits of it on the table. I'm going to show you guys how good that cleans up. And all you have to do is like just roll it around wherever the mess is. And so yeah, it cleans it right up.
Tell us the smell.
So actually, that is a very, like, yeah, that really works. Whatever you do, like, don't put it inside the dirt, because, like, it'll get a whole bunch of dirt inside of it. So,
yeah. No,
yeah.
I'm the boss because I made it up. Wow.
They like playing around.
No, I am.
So,
We love playing
yeah,
around. Yeah.
This is Noise Putty, and I'm going to show you guys how it farts. Like, it makes like a cool noise. I'll be right back. So, we figured out how it farts. And all you have to do is take 2 fingers like that, put them straight together, go like this, and stick your fingers straight inside the middle. And there you go. It farts. You have to squeeze it inside though for it to make the noise. This is pretty cool. So yeah, this is a cool project for you to do. It is real easy to make real slime, but also sometimes if you make sometimes if you mess up on some kind of slime, if you make it, then actually it will turn into noise putty. Like it'll start ripping, and as you know, is how you know that it's noise putty is all you have to do is start stretching it, and sometimes it'll rip, and like you can do a whole bunch of stuff with it. So yeah, let me show you everything that you can do with it. It's really cool. So yeah, you can go straight in, but it has to be inside the container for it to make a noise. So
Send it on YouTube.
yeah, yes we will.
We're putting it on YouTube.
So yes we are. And if we didn't mention the names who we are, if you guys forgot, this is Angel, this is Elena, and I'm Chelsea. So
And I'm
it's
the
kind of
beautiful
weird.
one. This is my sister.
She thinks she's all that. Okay, so
That was my.
remember to like and subscribe
What?
and comment and share. So if you have a comment about
Hey.
how you guys would actually do with it, either let me know by clicking the like button or by comment.
We like doing.
Remember,
each other's girl stuff.
Noise Putty, Empire, Family Dollar 108. Bye.